Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Alright my loves, today we're going to start off the Halloween series. I know I'm super excited. I cannot wait. I have to start this series like right away. I am so anxious that I need to like do this like as soon as possible, right? So today is going to be the first video to our series. And I'm going to show you guys how to make this really super beautiful and fun embellishment. I love these embellishments. They're like my favorite. I just love these stickers. You guys know me. If you watch my series from last year and probably the previous, you know how obsessed I am with these stickers. I love them so much. I have so many of them. So I again used them this year for another project. So I'm going to show you how to make these. Now, if you want to see the video from last year on how to create these embellishments, then just search for my Halloween series 2017 and you'll see a lot of different projects including this particular one, okay? So, let's get started. Now, I made these with my Christmas picks. You guys know how obsessed I am with these Christmas picks that I got last year from Michaels, actually maybe 2 years ago. And I love using these picks with like different projects. However, I do realize that not everybody is able to obtain or take a hold or, you know, try to find something like this. So I'm doing this video using this paper, which is basically just glitter, kind of like hard paper. Trying to make it easier so that whoever doesn't have these picks or can't locate them, you can still create these projects using other things, okay? So what I did was I bought this glitter paper from Michaels. It's called glitter cardstock, and it's just really like bam in your face, kind of like glitter paper. And I just traced a circle and just cut it out. That's all I did. I didn't do really anything else to it, okay? So let's start this magnificent project. So I'm using the paper from Martha Stewart from last year. I bought this at Michael's while they had like their Halloween clearance going on. And I love this paper. I actually was not too crazy about the Martha Stewart collection from last year, but I kind of like fell in love with this paper and I think it's beautiful. So I'm using my punch and I'm basically just gonna punch a circle. Okay, and what I also am going to do is I have these little words from Michaels that I bought last year. They're all Halloween related. I'm gonna get one of these little phrases and I'm going to glue it down to a little piece of the paper and kind of make like a nice little border. That's exactly what I did here. See? So let's find something in here that looks like it's a fun spook. Let's see, treats not tricks. Okay, let's do that. And what I basically just did is I basically just glued this down the paper just like that, and I kind of made like a little border around the sticker, and then I created a nice little flag, and that's basically all I did. Okay, so let's cut this out. I'm going to make it much more neater, obviously. Okay, cut this out, make it neat, and then I'm going to create a little flag, and that's going to be part of our embellishment. See, just like that. Awesome, right? Super easy. Okay, let's put this on the side while we work with the embellishment. So I have a circle here, I have my circle here. I need a cupcake liners. You guys know how much I love to use cupcake liners on all my embellishments. I'm using this like kind of like natural color, and I love it. So what I do is I fold my cupcake liners in half, I squish it in the center, and then I open it up, holding the center and trying to make like a nice shape where I am kind of happy with the size of the cupcake liner. And then I'm going to hot glue it to the center of my gold paper, which is exactly what I did here. Only I used the Christmas picks. Add it right in the center. Okay, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add this circle that we punched out right in the center of that cupcake liner. It's going to be a nice, gorgeous layering. Right in the center. Bam. Right there. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Let's pick our stickers. Again, I got my stickers. I've been having these stickers forever. I have like so many of them. Let me see if I can show you one that's not opened. They look just like this. When you buy them, they look like this. And Michael still has them, believe it or not. I am obsessed with these stickers. So I'm gonna pick, let's pick this one right here with the little bats. And it has dimensions in the back, which is perfect. Okay, and we're gonna add this right in the center. But before we add it, let's add a little bit of hot glue, right? Because I don't want my embellishments to fall apart. If you're going to mail these out, or if you're going to gift them to someone as a present, as a snail mail or something like that, you want to make sure that your embellishments hold well. So just add glue to it, and just add as much as you can to kind of keep it from not falling apart. Beautiful. And you should get something like this, guys. Look how cute. This already by itself is adorable, isn't it? I just love it. Look at that glitter paper. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And they have different colors also, guys. They don't only have gold. They have like bronze, they have red, they have orange, they have a whole bunch of different colors. Okay, gorgeous, right? Yes. Okay, next we're going to add our little buttons that we did with these. So grab yourself some really fun buttons that coordinate with the embellishment. I'm going to grab these orange buttons that I absolutely love. Okay. And also grab your little embellishment that you created, which is your little kind of like sign. I'm gonna put some double-sided dimensions in the back of this so I can kind of like add it to where I want to add it and give it a little bit of lift. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my little bowl over here. I'm gonna find a dimension that I can add, which I can probably add this one, and I'm just gonna add a little piece of dimension in the back, and that's gonna give me some nice lift to my little sign. And I'm going to add my sign right tucked in down here. So let's add a little bit of hot glue, little tab, and then tuck in this sign right down here. Tuck in that baby right down there. And that baby looks beautiful there. Oh, I love it. This is so cute. I love it. Now we're going to add our buttons, which we're going to add on the side of our little sticker. I'm adding mine in the side. You can add your button wherever you want. It doesn't have to be buttons. It could be anything. It could be sequins. It could be whatever you have. It doesn't have to be buttons. In my case, I'm using buttons. Okay, and I'm basically done. The only last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sequins like I did with this one, okay? So with this one, I added beautiful sequins right there. I added a orange and a gold sequence. We'll do the same thing with this one. I have here my sequence. I got this gigantic gold, orange sequence and a smaller one in gold. You can also add pom-poms, like little mini pom-poms if you want. I mean, you can add whatever you want. All right, I'm gonna add my hot glue to my sequins. I don't suggest you to do this. I suggest you to use like maybe like wet glue. I'm only using the hot glue because it makes it quicker for the video and it glues down quick. So for the video purposes, that's the only reason why I'm actually using hot glue. I normally would never use hot glue on sequins. I would just use wet glue, okay? All right, there goes one, bam. And now we're gonna add the little one in the center. Bam, and we're done. Yes! My loves, we are done. This is how fast and quick this really, I mean, I'm telling you, this is like so easy to create in no time, okay? In no time. I try to talk as less as possible, but look how beautiful this embellishment turned out. I mean, it looks like you bought this from like a scrapbook store. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You can use this for tags. You can punch a little hole right in the center, use it as a tag. You can use it as an embellishment for a Happy Mail. You can use it as an embellishment for a stuffed envelope. I mean, you can use it for so many things. For your maybe your Halloween this daily, a lot of things, okay? But I just wanted to show you how easy and fun it was to create these embellishments, guys. I hope you enjoy watching me make this awesome embellishment. Please stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you thumbs up and make sure you tell me how much you love this tag. Are you obsessed with it as much as I am? I'm calling it a tag because I probably am going to make this into a gift tag. But again, it could be an embellishment. It could be whatever you want. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your subscription. And I will see you guys on my next Halloween series video. Thank you for stopping by, my loves. Have a fantastic weekend. And please be safe out there. Love you. Bye.